Hey Copper Nerds, let's unbox this very cool 1794, a rare variety from DB Rare Coins on eBay, which is Darren Bart's, and very excited about this one. Let's dig into it. So I had no intentions of upgrading my Sheldon 23 Shattered Obverse until I saw this one. So I promptly hit buy it now on this one without much thought. And Seth Moore has my my previous S-23 heading his way. I mean, it's my downgrade, but it's a cool coin that I didn't really plan on upgrading. All right. I was told this would be very well packaged, and it definitely is. It's in a slab, so I am not too concerned about damaging the coin, but I don't know what else might be along for the ride, so I'm going to be fairly careful. Look at this. DB Rare Coins boxes things up better than anything I've ever seen, ever. Wow. Okay. I think this is a fairly safe cut here outside of the envelope. The whole video is going to be the unboxing. Okay. We're in to the inner portion. What do we got? What do we got? There we are. We are in, and I will check this part out later. All right. Look at that. A very respectable example of a very tough variety. This one's slabbed as a straight grade good 6, and we're gonna break it out of the slab. So I'm gonna take this with me back to work, stop by, hit up the bandsaw, and we'll take a closer look at this coin when I'm done with work for the day. See you shortly. Well, let's get it out of there. I cut it a little tighter than the last one that I did, and looks like it's just gonna pop open, but I don't have 3 hands, so I'm gonna do that off camera. And this side, just lift it off. Come on, there we go. Right on open, and little plastic dust blows right off. A nice looking coin. We'll check it out a little more closely at home. This one is home and safe. I really do enjoy it. A great portrait, a much stronger obverse than reverse, which is my preference. Still working out a grade for myself. It was in that straight grade of PCGS 6 slab. I'm gonna call it probably an 8 net 6 on the obverse on account of the little rim bumps there. And then that is some hard but light corrosion that is the darker color on the surfaces. In the reverse, I'm thinking like a 6 net 4 perhaps. Probably gonna call this one an EAC 5. Although I'm going to consult with Larry Schaefer because this one needs to be added to the 1794 registry. It doesn't exist there and hasn't had an EAC grade assigned to it, to my knowledge. Thank you to Darren for this particularly nice example of a Sheldon 23. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of photos. Feel free to hit me up in the comments. Again, couldn't be happier about this spontaneous acquisition. And congrats to Seth on my old one, which is a fantastic coin as well. It's a tough variety. I'm glad it went to a good home. I will talk to you guys a bit more in the comments. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.